lock.
I'll show you how to open a lock.
First, you reset all the numbers on the lock.
How do you do that?
First, you turn the dial of the lock clockwise 3 times to reset your combination from your last use. Then you land on your first number in your lock combination. Then you turn the dial the opposite way, pass your second number once, and turn it until you reach the second number again. Lastly, turn the dial clockwise again, and don't pass your third number like the second number. Just go to your third number like you did in the first step. Then take the handle and pull it, and it should open.
Okay,